Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a Stegosaurus. This is a Stegosaurus. The next one is elephant. This is elephant. Elephant. The next one is a shark. This is a shark. A T-Rex. This is a T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. A panda. This is a panda. A horse. This is a horse. A horse. A seahorse. This is a seahorse. Octopus. This is octopus. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. A lobster. This is a lobster. A shark. This is a shark.